Good morning. Welcome to Brightech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing, and we make it simple for our students to understand. Today we are going to learn how to create a simple traffic light. That is how to turn on and off the red, the yellow, and the green lights. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like, and share our videos so that other learners can also enjoy such tutorials. We have more of such videos coming, so please like, share for your friends to also enjoy this kind of tutorials. Now let's get to the screen. Guys, welcome back. So I will first open my browser, then visit the site tinkercad.com. So tinkercad.com. Then I'll go to create. Already I have a video on how to create Tinkercad account. So I'll go to create, then I'll select circuit. So when I get to circuit, now this is the platform where I have to do my connections. So I will first bring on board the breadboard. I will need a breadboard. I will need the Arduino Uno. So I will turn the Arduino Uno like this. Okay. Then I'll position my breadboard here. I will need 3 LEDs. So I'll bring my LED here. I'll bring another LED here. Then I'll bring the last LED here. Now I have to change the colors, so this one will remain red. I will click on this. So when I click on this, I will change the color to orange or yellow. So I'll change it to yellow. I will click on this, change the color to green. I will need to connect resistors, so I will bring my resistors here. So I will bring on board 3 resistors. I will change the value of the resistors to 220. So when I click on the resistor, I'll change it from 1 to 220. Then I'll change this one to ohms instead of kilo ohms. Then I will change this one to 220. Then I will change it to ohms instead of kilo ohms. Then I will change this one to 220 kilo. Change it to ohms instead of kilo ohms. Now I have to do my connections. So I will tap on ground and I'll pick the ground from here. Connect the ground to this one. Now power flows in this direction. So the power goes in this direction. So I can tap it from anywhere to the resistors. So I will tap the ground from here through the resistor to the negative leg of the LED. I'll tap the negative from here or the ground to the negative, to the resistor to the negative leg of the LED. Then I'll tap this one from here through the resistor to the negative leg of the LED. Now since these ones are connecting to the ground, let me change the color to black. So I'm changing the colors to black. Okay. Now I have to connect my pins to the positive side of the LED, or that is the anode. So the red, I will connect it to pin 7. So I'll connect it to pin 7 to the positive side of the LED, and I'll change the cable or the wire to red since it's connected to red LED, so that it will be very easy for us to identify or for troubleshooting or debugging. Then I'll connect the pin 8 to the yellow side. Then I will change the cable to orange or yellow. Then I'll connect pin 9 to the green LED, and I'll change the cable to color green. So now I'm done with my connections. Let's come to the coding aspect. So here we are going to use the block coding. So we are going to use the blocks. Okay, so you can either use the block coding or the test. So we are using the blocks. So because it is a traffic light, we are going to use the forever loop, because the traffic light doesn't work for a time then stop working. So we use the forever loop. So it should be continuing looping. So we go to control, then we look for forever. Then we go to output. Now output, we are going to set our pins. So we will need 3 pins because we are using 3 LEDs here. And these 3 LEDs are connected to pins. So we will use 3 pins. So the first pin, which is color red, is connected to pin 7. So when we come to the code, we set this pin, the first one, to pin 7. Then we set the second one to pin 8. Then we set this one to pin 9. So the pin 9 goes with the green. The green is set to pin 9. Okay. Now when you come here, we want to turn on the pin 7. That is the red light on. So we set that one to high. Then we set pin 8 to low, pin 9 to low. So it means only pin 7 has been set to high, or it means that we have turned pin 7 on, and pin 7 is color red. So when we run the code, when we start the simulation, red light or red LED is on, then the others are off. For how long should the red LED be turned on? We have to set that one, else it's going to be red forever because it is in forever loop. So we go to control, we say the red light should be on for maybe 5 seconds. So 5 seconds. When the red light turns on for 5 seconds, what should happen? So we are going to set another pin, but instead for us to set another pin, we will right click here and duplicate. Then we hold the duplicate below the 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, what should happen? After 5 seconds, pin 7 should be set to low. It means we will turn this one off, turn pin 8 to high, set pin 9 to low. So it means that after 5 seconds, the pin 7, which is color red, should be turned off, turn on color yellow, turn off color green. For how long? Let's say yellow should be on for 4 seconds. Then we right click here, duplicate, then we bring it down. So after 4 seconds, pin red should still be low. Then we set pin 8 to low, then pin 9, which is color green, to high. For how long should the color green be turned on? Let's say 6 seconds. So we have color red turn on for 5 seconds, color yellow turn on for 4 seconds, color green turn on for 6 seconds, and this is in forever loop. So it will continue working till accident or something happens. So let's simulate our code and see. So color red is on. For 5 seconds, it should turn to yellow. For 4 seconds, it should turn to color green. This one will be on for 6 seconds. It will come back to color red. Okay, so it will continue like this forever, maybe till battery runs down or till light goes off or till accident happens. Okay, so this is a simple way to turn on red, yellow, and green LEDs. Okay, in our next video, we are going to blink the color green 3 or 4 times before the yellow will turn on and the red. Normally, the normal traffic light, the green light blinks for 3 or 4 times. So in our next video, we are going to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share our videos. In our next video, we are going to make either the yellow light blinks for 3 or 4 times or the green light blinks for 3 or 4 times before the yellow light will turn on for the red to come. Please share this video so that your colleagues can also enjoy. See you again next time. Bye.